Good morning everyone, my name is Muskan and my team members are Amit and Tarun. We are going to explain our project Smart Canal. We are from APSSR. My team member will explain the solution.
This is our project in which we have implemented water level indicator which shows the level of the water, as well as we have implemented water flow sensor in it which shows the pressure of water. Suppose water is running constantly with the same speed, that is okay. If canal or dam is broken from anywhere, it automatically sends message to the irrigation department that canal is broken, as well as it shows the live location. Now my friend Tarun will explain the working of our project.
This is a water level indicator which tells the level of the water flowing in the canal. These two are the water flow sensors which actually tell the volume of water flowing in the canal. For example, if this motor is supplying 5 liters of water in this canal. Now this sensor will actually calculate the volume of the water and signals to this Arduino. If the canal is not broken from anywhere, then the value is calculated by both the sensors will be equal. But if the canal is broken from somewhere, then the water is flowing out of the canal, and this will imply that there will be a difference in both the sensors. With the difference, we can actually calculate from where the canal is broken. Now both the values will be sent to this Arduino. This Arduino will calculate whether the canal is broken or not. If the canal is broken, then this Arduino sends signal to this GSM, and this GSM sends signal to the water irrigation system to take the necessary actions. This Arduino calculates the volume of the water flowing in the river, as you can see in the display.
It is an innovative idea, and now the farmers can feel safe from the water theft, as well as now the canal will have proper tail feeding. Thank you.